Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, and today guys I have a special treat for y'all. I'm gonna do a product review on this Petal Commander. Some of you guys may not understand what is a Petal Commander and why should you care about it. Well, what I'm gonna do is I hit up Petal Commander and say, hey listen, I don't believe this product really works, so I wanted to give it a shot. They said, all right, go ahead, give it a shot, and give us your honest review and opinion of it. I said, all right, cool. So they sent me the product, Petal Commander, and what I'm going to do is install it on my Q50, Q60. So some of you guys may ask, what does a Petal Commander do? Well, if you ever driven your car, haven't you noticed when you press on the gas pedal, there's a slight delay from when you press on the gas pedal until when the car would move? Like, so for instance, let me just back it up, all right? You might hear a little click on me press on the foot, and then you'll see the RPM jump. 1, 2, 3. It's a slight delay, but also when you're driving, it may give you that too. Look, once again, some of you guys might sit there and say, well, that stuff doesn't really matter. But when you drive in everyday traffic, when you're flowing from a stoplight, even when you're in drive, there's still that slight delay. So Petal Commander is supposed to allow you to hack that throttle, that pedal position, and allow the car to be a bit more awake and doesn't have that delay. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick DIY and give my honest opinion on how this Petal Commander feels. So let's get into that. Part 1, unboxing. Some of y'all guys love unboxing, so I'm going to give it to you. The box has seemed regular, nothing really spectacular about the box. Oops, I seem like I messed it up. Just taking out the box. Alright, I guess this is how it's supposed to come. Alright, there's a little sticker decal. I don't know what this is. What is this? What is this? It feels like a moist tablet or something like that. I don't know what I'm using that for. The directions are on the back, very simple. Okay. Alright, this is what the Petal Commander looks like. Let me move this little foam thing out the way. Seems like there's supposed to be a clip for it. A clip. Here's the Petal Commander device. Alright, let me see what else is here. Okay, move that out the way. This is the device. Alright, seems like a simple device. That should be the harness. So for every car, they probably have a different harness for the throttle body. So I have the Q50, Q50. So it probably uses the same pigtails for the Q60 too. Maybe Infiniti uses the same pigtails for the other models. I wouldn't know. But anyways, they give you 2 zip ties here. 1 zip tie, 2 zip ties. And this looks like a 3M or some kind of Velcro. Alright, so they just pretty much talk about the different modes and everything like that. Alright, so that's the box. Let's get into the install. First step, everybody, is to remove this black thing. This is like a black cover. It covers 2 10mm bolts down here. Pop that up. Pop it up. Once that's out, you got to make sure you get it right there on the edge, and it has those 2 bolts, okay? Now you take your 10mm socket with your ratchet and you remove these 2 bolts. That allows you to get to the back of the harness. It is not this harness, guys. It is not this harness. The harness is actually behind here, this black piece, but you can't get it until you remove this 10mm bolts. So let me remove that and let's go to the next step. Alright, once those bolts are removed, now you can move the whole assembly. Alright, so it slides right out. Boom. See how easy that was? Pretty easy. So the harness is right here. Make sure before you unplug this, you've been away from the car, as per Petal Commander, that the car has been off for 5 minutes, because there's still voltage going to this, and they said you might get some kind of check engine lights or some kind of issue. So make sure you was away with the car where the car powered all the way down, okay? Alright, and also try to keep the key as far as away from the, the start button as possible. Put the key in the back seat or something like that. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to unclip here. Now, if you also have adaptive cruise control, this will not work, at least based on what they told me. Alright, you unclip this here. I can't do it on video because I suck at it. My hand's greasy. But I'm going to unclip it and then move on to the next step. Now that I have it unclipped, what you're gonna do is plug this female, and you're gonna take your pedal commander. You take that female, and you're gonna plug in that female to this male end. Okay, this male end is gonna go into that female end. Okay, you're gonna plug that in. Fits right in there nice and neatly. Oh, that's when she says you put it in the wrong end. But anyways, put that in. Boom, clip. Ah, boom, that's it, one. And then you take the, where is it? What the hell? You take this, yeah, there you go. You take this female end and you plug it into the pedal. Boom. Right there. Boom. Okay, so I'm about 3 minutes into this. All right. Now you're going to try to find a nice place, probably under the carpet, to put this. It's also Bluetooth, so you download an app and everything. But I'm not going to put it under the map yet because, well, I'm still going to be testing it out. But you're going to put it under the mat and put it somewhere nice and neatly. But always make sure it's working before you finish it up. So I'm just going to reinstall this pedal, and we're going to go on a test drive. All right, everybody, so this is going to be the first startup. Let's see if there's any issues here. All right, no light codes, no issues there. All right, the pedal commander seems like it's in the city mode. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm not even going to review everything. I'm not going to go through all this. I'm going to literally go right to Sport Plus. And the Sport Plus should be the most aggressive setting. And remember, we drive our cars every day, all day. So you should be able to sense the change immediately. And plus, I'm going to make sure the car is in sport. I have the Silver Sport. I do not have Sport Plus. So unfortunately, I'm just a regular sport guy. And you know what? I want the intensity at its highest. All right. So let's just give my quick response on how this actually feels. All right, everyone. So I'm going to go take this car on a quick test drive. And I'm going to give you my honest feedback. I know you can't really sense it from the video on my response to whatever it is. I haven't driven the car yet. I literally just got it in. So let's see how it feels. All right, let me back out of my spot. Oops, I think I ran over something. Probably a bottle. All right, let me let this car come by. I'm just going to take it around the block and see how it is. Because I do have the... Whoa. Whoa, wait. I have it on the most aggressive setting. Hold on. Guys, I know you guys drive your cars all the time. I just gave it a tiny bit of tap of gas just to get out the parking spot. Let me let this car move from in front of me because it feels way different. Whoa.
Girl, man, back on up, Playboy. We talking grown folks business in here.
Oh, that is getting bleeped out. What the hell is this? What is this? I can't even curse. I'm gonna have to edit the cursing out. Holy, what? Whoa. The car is, guys, the car is way more responsive. Like, the car wants to go. All right, right now I'm around 2,000 RPM. Whoa. You know what's crazy thing is, if you're in gear, let's say you're in gear and you're at a higher RPM, the car is already gonna be pretty responsive. But from a standstill, it's like there's no delay. Like, you hit it and it just goes. Like, it just says, hey, we're going. So you know what? Whoa, that guys, I'm not trying to. Let me just get a little bit into it. I don't think it's making me faster, but it makes the car a bit more edgier. Like, it's just like I don't have to wait for that delay. Now, it doesn't change your shifting. Your shift points still stay the same. Your transmission still stays the same. But the pedal, from what I believe it does, when you press on the pedal, You know, like let's say if you have to press the pedal all the way down, it tells the ECU, hey, listen, 100% throttle response, right? But with this, it's like if you give just a little bit of the press, it wants to give it like, it feels like it's giving the car like a full throttle. So right now, I'm at about, I'm gonna do it from a standstill, and I'm just gonna give it a little gas. Whoa, whoa! It just wants to go, like it's, whew. All right, so I know I made you guys watch enough of me. What is my initial 3 minutes? I've been doing this for about 2 minutes. The car wants to go. It feels as if it wants to go, and I'm gonna have to have a learning curve here because I have it on the most aggressive mode. The car wants to go with just a little bit of gas. There's a lot less delay, and you don't have to give it a lot of gas to get the responsiveness that you want. Do I think it's worth $300? Not necessarily. I wish it was cheaper than $300. But it does make the car feel like it wants to go way, like it wants to go. The car is ready. I don't know if some of you guys are annoyed with it, annoyed with what you experience with your car. Some people are going to sit there and say, if you have a tuner for your Q50, Q60, or for whatever model, if you came from any other video just to see it, some people are going to say you might as well just tune this into your car to have more of a responsiveness from the throttle. I must say, this is going to take a learning curve. If we have it on the most aggressive setting, the car wants to go. And you know, like, let's say you wanted to just give the car a little bit of gas so it could just roll up to the light a little bit. You can't do that because the car wants to go. So you literally have to adjust the settings. Also, you have an eco mode, which pretty much makes the pedal a little lazier. Whoa. It makes the pedal a little lazier. And I don't, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I have all the traction control off right now. I'm all-wheel drive. And the car wants to go with just a little bit of throttle response. Like, I'm talking about a little. Now, I don't know if this is gonna make the car quicker in a quarter mile, but it definitely makes the car feel more alive with daily driving. It feels good. You can't really fix the transmission shifting, but the car wants to go. Like, I'm just giving it a little bit of gas. I'm in second gear. Wow. I'm in second gear at about 3,000 RPM, and when I floor it a little bit, it just wants to go. Like, the car wants to go. All right, guys. This is my honest review is it works. I don't care what no one says. Screw anybody who never had it on their car, don't know what they're talking about. Unless they put it on the car, then they will know. It definitely does change the feel of the car. The car wants to go. And also, if you're watching this video, I'm gonna put it in the description below, but you guys are gonna get 10% off your next purchase of the Petal Commander for any model that you choose to add it on to. It definitely works. My promo code will be BIM, and that is 10. BIM 10, and you guys are gonna get 10% off your next purchase, okay? And listen, guys, if you want to have the car feel more alive, this is it. This is definitely it. I like this. I'm gonna keep this. I'm not gonna return it. I'm keeping this. This is freaking great. So this is Boost in Motion doing a product review on a Petal Commander. It really does work. I do like it. Do I think it's worth $300? I wish that it wasn't $300. If this was like $100, $150, it would be great. But you know what? For this type of technology, I guess they had to mess with resistors and do a lot of stuff to get this to work. But this is great. This is great. This is really great. Whew. Car wants to go. So this is Boost in Motion. You guys have an amazing, beautiful day. Please like this video. If you have any comments, comment below. You can contact me at Boost in Motion on IG and Boost in Motion on Facebook. Appreciate y'all very much. See y'all in the next video.